back. And baseball, say hi. Bo.
Oh, this is the most worst thing to go this.
Bo, we're about to pop some fireworks. We got too late.
If they start.
This your girl Emery back with our banger. And do y'all already hear it in the background? That's fireworks. And we're about to pop some. And it will be so crazy.
You should see. Have you seen her run?
And happy 4th of July. It's extremely dark. It's literally extremely dark. Alright. Hello. Hello.
Are you finna record?
I am recording.
You are recording right now?
Yes. No. Huh. Hey, Giselle. Hey, Giselle. I think she wanted to be with me.
I don't know what she was trying to get to her day. Good job. Wow.
There's already some fun. Giselle. Giselle. So this is Giselle. Say hi.
It was the 1-year-old birthday party.
Let's get started.
Wait, we're about to get started already. No. Papa said we're about to get started. Hey, Jordan. Oh, touch me.
Corey, put Corey in.
You barely even touched me. Giselle.
I don't know what order y'all going in.
Come on. Hold up. I'm going to get you. Hug? Can I have a 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 hug?
I'm going.
Wait, I'm asking you a simple question. Alright, this baby don't want it. Hug? Hug? So, you ready to pop some fireworks on camera? You ready? Because it's already getting crazy. Because y'all can just hear it in the background. I'm like, get away from me.
I got to get rid of it.
No.
I got to get rid of it. So,
No, that's a leaf. I know, firework.
so they're getting it from all
Oh my goodness.
And then I got a hold. I talked to one of the young ladies. We're all, like, reformed. We get
That's scary.
is
That was scary. Yeah, is it? I can't even hear.
I don't know if it's it used to be Salvation.
Bro, that actually hurt my ears. I was pretty scared.
It's called Wingstop right here. Good if it's supposed to serve is terrible. So it's the most of the time it's not too bad for you. Just down there, they can go on Warner Road, and he said,
Bo, why are you
you might
scared?
find some, but they
I'm not
tripping.
scared.
I've
To be on
noticed they don't
camera?
like to tell black people
No.
to
Oh
my God, there's more. I think there's more over there.
Oh my God, there's some in my eyes.
They funny acting, but still. And you gotta make any privacy on. So I'm tired of Poshmark. I be wanting to go touch it in person.
I'm not holding those.
Right.
I'm not holding those. I know I don't hold this one.
okay, that's cool, baby. That's cool. You can change your mind. They had,
Oh my God, it's absolutely crazy.
Because, you know, they don't really know anything classic. Classic. Oh, okay. You just have to go.
I'm not getting near those
Get
things.
out there. And I hate it, like, you kind of got to go places where they don't know.
I'm finna see what this do. This supposed to be a smart.
That's where you're going. But there used to be a place like Love Lady.
Be careful. Just help.
Don't leave.
Move back, it's stinking. Move back.
You gotta think about it like that. Cause I'm like, I'm not doing no state sale, y'all gonna mark it up. But I've done the Love Lady, the old circus, and then I did the Love Lady.
No, just help. Just help. No.
But they
You're a toddler. That's no. You can burn yourself. Huh? You can burn yourself. Okay. So don't get near it. Okay. Okay. So you don't get burned. Okay. All right. Stay with me. Because it might like hit you. All right. Hold my hand. So those things, this is what it. Oh wait, hold up. Oh, this is what.
I had it. I can't even think.
Whoa!
What all is for? It is $150. Cause I'll be right there on my phone.
Is this one the right one that Jocelyn was holding?
Away from the restaurant.
She had, yeah, but it's not a smart.
Like I'll take that, I'll walk off, and I'll grab something I know I don't need,
Alright.
and pretend like it's that.
Of course not. Oh, move back, move back, move back. My bad. My bad.
That's favorite. I don't like. It's one is too small.
Oh my goodness, it's already so crazy. I'm already getting scared. I'm standing over here. Sparkler. Bro, that one is loud. I want to go inside. Yeah, no. No, I want to go inside. Can we go inside? Get away from me. Ow! My ears! Get away from me! Get away from me! God, there's some fireworks over there. Absolutely getting crazy. I want to go inside, but I don't know how to get. I want to go inside. Get away from me! All right, y'all play. I want to go inside. Can we go inside? I want to go inside. No, I want to go inside.
Why you want to go inside?
There's some loud fireworks.
Stay in between the cars. In between the cars to keep you safe.
But we still hear the loud sound. No, tripping. Alright, I'm going to be. Ow! Oh, I want to go outside. Bro, okay, don't call me a coward because I'm actually scared. I'm pretty scared. Last year I did it. Like, it wasn't pretty scary. But now we got big fireworks, that loud fireworks. Yeah, no. No, thank you. Ow! Alright, hold up. Bro. We're still. Wait, stop! I'm literally recording now, bro. Cancel. Where's my dad, bro? I'm actually scared. He's right there, bro. Kaden! I'm scared. Bro, I'm actually scared. Alright.
That one was nice.
Where's
Anybody else shoot?
Can we
stop recording.
Oh, my bad. I thought you were Jayla. My bad.
Same person. Close enough. Everybody wasn't around on this car.
Did it hit you? Did it hit you? Did it hit you?
Yes.
Did it hit you?
That's why we closed down.
That was a big one.
Taylor. Sorry, it was too. Let me go to my dad.
Who aren't top tier at all are the only ones that will tolerate.
Dad, I'm scared. The fireworks. Can I go inside? I want to go inside.
You want to go inside?
Yes. No, they're hurting my ears. No, I'm not. Oh, I'm not.
Okay, so.
No, it's not. No.
Alright, so.
You good?
Janelle, you might have to get away from her. You might have to get away from her. It's just sparkling.
Dad, I can also get burned. Can I go inside? Am I able to go inside?
Your mom's inside.
She is. Alright,
I left the front door unlocked.
okay. Alright, I'm going inside. See you when I come back outside. Alright, I'm out. I cannot be scared. I can't be scared. Alright. Bro, I'm literally back out. Alright. Yeah. Oh snap! I can't even get past. Bro, alright. Alright, I can't get scared. My heart is literally pounding. No. Ah! Ah! Oh! Ow! Oh no. Oh boy. Oh boy. You scared? No, yes, actually. Why are you doing that to me?
2 batteries for the solar motor, 1 battery for the cranking, and then 2 batteries for the electronics. And like I said, they did a week, and I got my solar power. Talking back up. There was some lithium batteries on there. I might get me a couple of them.
So how long you think you gonna be out there?
Couple hours. Most of the time when I go, if I don't have to work, if I get up in the morning, I probably won't come home tonight.
Alright.
Load them on down. I just go out there.
Alright, let's go this one.
Between the time I get up and try to go back.
She ain't scared at all. What's she chewing it?
You got gum. You got 30.
Where you get gum from? Which ones you want, the clear one or the...
Here, I give you ammunition.
Oh,
Do not squeeze too hard.
what's your
Oh,
stuff?
probably just out
Being out here is enough.
Excuse me? No. Y'all.
It's loud.
Go, that's it. Alright. I don't think I'm able. Well, I can only do it for 29 minutes and 77 seconds. But it's been 60 minutes and 40 seconds. So, ooh, ow, my ears, it hurts. Not anymore. Bo, do you got anything in your hands? No.
Amber, you ain't coming to play with us this time?
Oh, fine.
Huh?
Fine. Fine.
No, don't say that. Dale. She said fine. You're fine.
Fine.
Y'all here just play. I know. When I
Can't
was
hold
doing
it.
I said I stole Amber.
Hold it. All right.
I was going to steal it Sunday when I saw her.